Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfreeze or unstuck your character on the Medieval Dynasty game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Medieval Dynasty game on your device and you will be taken into the main menu from which you can load your previous game or start a new one right away. Now you may notice that if you're loading a previous saved game, sometimes your character will not move at all. This may happen in the middle of your gameplay as well. The sign of this is that your mouse is completely moving and you can also use your weapons. However, you cannot jump or walk and move around at all. So in order to fix this issue, just tap on the escape button on your keyboard and you will now see the unstuck button. Go ahead and click on it and now your character will respawn at the same location and will now be unfrozen or unstuck right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unfreeze or unstuck your character on the Medieval Dynasty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.